Most of the time when you join me, I'm doing some nice little petite arrangement. But let me tell you, today we're working with banana leaves. And when you work with a banana leaf, we have to have something really that's gonna make a statement. And this is a simple arrangement that's gonna give you a great look to use for parties, events, weddings, centerpiece for a table. Sometimes we look at the big leaves and we say, oh my gosh, what are we gonna do with that? Besides make it into a plant. So let's just watch how we create something with the banana leaves, the dinner plate dahlia, the beautiful hydrangea, and a little bit of accent with some Dusty Miller. So creating visual balance, of course, is the biggest challenge when you're using something like this. So we've counterbalanced that with our dinner plate dahlias and the stems as they're coming through the design. So give it a try, pick up some banana leaves and say, let's have some fun.